Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Zebronics ZEB SW2491RUCF 2.1 Multimedia speaker. So as you can see, this is the box. It's got Hrithik Roshan here. This is what the actual speaker looks like. It's got a remote and it tells you it has an LED display, a front firing woofer, glossy finish, remote control, ST-MMC support, USB and FM. Okay, let's turn the box around and see what else we have here. Okay, so here are some specifications of the speaker. So again, features, like I said earlier, LED display, supports USB and ST and MMC, built-in FM. It has a blue LED power indicator, individual volume, bass and treble adjustment, full function remote control. And in terms of its output, so the output power is a total of 27 watts. The subwoofer is 15 watts and there are two satellites, so each of the two satellites is 6 watts each. So that brings you to a total of 27 watts of sound output. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, 6 ohms impedance, and there's some other stuff, some other tech specs over here. The weight is 3.2 kgs, and in the package you will get one subwoofer, two satellites, a remote, an input cable and a user manual. So let's just go ahead and unbox that and I'll actually show you all of that stuff. So these are the two satellites. I'll just put them off to the side. You have your user manual and your remote control, which comes in the center over here. Remove that. And this is the subwoofer at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so let's just remove the plastic. There you have it. That is what your subwoofer looks like. That's what the subwoofer looks like. Just place it down. So this is the user manual that comes with the device. You have a remote control and a cable. So okay, so on the top over here is where your SD card goes in. You have a USB and you have your input button, previous play and next buttons. Over here you have your volume, your master volume control, and these are the individual treble and bass controls right here, over here. And at the back, of course, is where you would connect your inputs. So these two would go in here and you have your power on and off button at the back. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the ZEB SW2491RUCF 2.1 Multimedia speaker. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.